Hey homies! How's everybody doing? Hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to do a little chit chat and get ready with me since I've been filming today and I need to throw on my makeup anyway. So as you can see, I've already done my eyeshadow and I already have my sunscreen on, and I'm gonna go in with my primer. This is my favorite, Amani. The Amani Perfect 10 priming serum. So good. And I'm going to put some little glow drops into it. This is by Makeup Revolution. For summertime especially, I love throwing on the glow drops. I think they're so fun. They just make you extra glowy. Love both of these products. I've been using them for a long time and they have not made me break out or anything weird, which is so nice. Now I'm going in with the Amani foundation. I've talked about this foundation before. It's such a good foundation. I really love it. It's clean and it's high coverage, but it doesn't feel cakey or gross and weird on the skin. It doesn't look like, wow, you have so much makeup on. So I'm a huge fan. What is the weather like where you live today? It is 80 degrees where I live. I live in a desert. Very hot. I'm in my last month of pregnancy. I've been loving these sponges. I'll link them below. They are just some cheap ones on Amazon from Bakey. They're so nice. They puff up so big when they get wet. And I just love a wet sponge to the face. Does anybody else agree? I just think it feels so nice. I love setting spray and I love a wet face sponge massage. Okay, concealer. I have been using this one. I cannot quit this one. e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It's so cheap and I love it. You don't need very much and it is very hydrating, as the name suggests. And I think it's beautiful and it really stays so nice throughout the day. See, doesn't that just look so nice? I just think it just works so well and it brightens up the face so beautifully. Huge fan. Huge fan, as Trump would say. Okay, then I'm just going to go in with a little bit of bronzer. This is the Well People bronzer. And I'm just going to put a tiny bit on. Like I said, during summer, I love to just go with a little bit of makeup. This is definitely more than I've been wearing. But I'm not going to go in with very much bronzer. Then this is the Honest Beauty blush in Peony Pink. It is a cream blush. And I'm just gonna I'm kind of going for like a monochromatic look here. with my eyes. And I'm going to keep my blush nice and high so that it lifts my face. A little bit of the Wet n Wild highlighter. This is Mega Glow. And I don't even know what color this is, but it's the one that's more pink. And it is very glowy and fabulous, as you can see. Setting spray, this is Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist. As you can see, I've almost used all of it. I've liked this one. Clean product, or at least clean at Target. I haven't looked it up on Think Dirty, but it does say clean at Target, which of course, everybody's standard of clean is a little bit different. This is the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal mascara, which is definitely my favorite mascara. I don't love spending a bunch of money on mascara. I feel like there are so many good drugstore ones. This is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous eyeshadow. No, this is not eyeshadow. Mascara. In the description below, I'll put my tips and tricks to doing mascara. But I love using 2 different kinds. I think it really helps with the volume and length. But tell me what your favorite drugstore mascaras are. Let me know your favorite mascaras, or if there's one you've been wanting to try out. Pop it in the comments. So for this look, I just wanted to keep the under eye really bright and summery, and so I did not put any eyeshadow or any mascara on my lower lash line. Like I said, just to keep it looking bright and fun. So there you are. There is the finished look. Oh, except I forgot to put on a lip color. This is PYT Beauty, and this is their plumping lip gloss. Just to keep along with the monochromatic look that I'm going for here. This is a clean lip gloss, and I really have liked it. Okay, now here's the finished look. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope that you have a lovely rest of your day, that you take a few minutes for yourself so that you look beautiful and you can do beautiful things. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe so I can see you in my next video. And thanks again for being here.